For this presentation, I'm going to be going over how fluorouracil, which is also called 5-FU, how it inhibits RNA synthesis, how it is metabolized by cells in order to make a potent inhibitor, and then providing a mechanism for how the synthesis occurs. Okay, so 5-fluorouracil is a widely used anti-cancer drug. It treats colon, breast, and head and neck cancers. Its response rate for advanced colon cancer with 5-FU alone is only 10 to 15%, but utilizing 5-FU in combination with other drugs improve the response rates to 40 to 50%. It's the most frequently selected drug in the clinical adjuvant chemotherapy and neoadjuvant chemotherapy of tumors. It affects DNA synthesis and leads to cell damage and death. 5-fluorouracil is a key anti-cancer drug. It is used to treat various types of malignancies. It includes cooperation with other anti-cancer drugs, can be used orally or via IV infusion. Oral administration can differ because of the metabolism in the GI tract and in the liver. 5-FU. It's an 80 to 85% of 5-FU is catabolized to inactive metabolites by DPD. Only 1 to 3% of the original dose of 5-FU mediates the cytotoxic effects on tumor cells and normal tissues. 5-FU is converted to FDUMP and inhibits DTMP production. Cytotoxicity occurs because of the depletion of DTMP, which is essential for DNA replication and repair. 5-FU can be misincorporated into DNA of drug-treated cells. It can also be misincorporated into RNA. 5-FU inhibits the process of pre-RNA into mature RNA. It also disrupts post-transcriptional modification of tRNAs. 5-FU is a precursor of DTTP and UTP during biogenesis and interferes with both DNA and RNA metabolism. It was initially designed to inhibit DNA replication by blocking the de novo synthesis of thymidylate. 5-FU is incorporated into RNA and alters RNA metabolism. Inhibition of pre-RNA processing by 5-FU was due to inactivation of a transacting processing factor. Cytotoxic activity of 5-FU. 3 effects occur at the RNA level. There's an increased levels of retroviral elements with mutagenic potential. There's a reduced synthesis of ribosomes. There's inhibition of the nuclear RNA surveillance pathway. Other drugs that assist with these effects will possibly boost the cytotoxic activity of 5-FU. 5-FU is transformed inside the cell into different cytotoxic metabolites incorporated into DNA and RNA. This leads to cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. 5-FU, it exerts its anti-cancer effects through inhibition of thymidylate synthase, or TS, and incorporation of its metabolites into RNA and DNA. This causes the blocking of synthesis of the pyrimidine thymidine required for DNA replication. The combination of 5-FU with leucovorin and methotrexate have been developed to increase the anti-cancer activity of 5-FU. 5-FU is converted into 3 main active metabolites: FDUMP, FDUTP, and FUTP. Here's just kind of a drawing I found. It just shows the 5-FU, what it's converted to, the FDUMP, the FDUDP, and the FDUTP. And it shows how it goes to the TS, but it's inhibited there, and then it results in DNA and RNA damage and cell death. Kind of shows all 3 pathways it can take, but it all ends up with damage and cell death. There's another diagram I found that's very similar. It shows all the different routes it can take, but eventually it goes into RNA damage or DNA damage. I found the structure of the 5FU. And then here are some of my references. And here's the rest of the references. Thank you.